At ViewSonic, we believe that the quality of education should not be hindered by distance nor environmental factors. Whether the student is in a class or online, education should never be interrupted.
Good morning, class. Welcome to History 101.
Hello, teacher.
Hey, students online, good morning.
Hi.
My ViewBoard ecosystem has versatile tools for teachers that allow them to create engaging and dynamic learning spaces. You can even download my ViewBoard Whiteboard directly to your laptop. My ViewBoard Whiteboard for Windows provides the best performance and functionality running on our ViewBoard. Whether conducting distance or hybrid learning, setting up is easy with just a few simple settings and some essential hardware.
Class, make sure you write this down. This is important. It's going to be on the test next week, okay? Now, turn to your next slide. Remember what I talked about last time. So make sure you remember this, because it's also going to be on the test. Especially this part. Any questions?
Yes, please. Next week's exam, will it be essay or multiple choice format?
Excellent question. Next week's exam is going to be essay format. So for those that are online, make sure you're ready for this.
Thank you.
All right, class, please break into your groups. Now go. All right, class, time's up. Group 1, can you come up stage and present your findings? Hey, Randy, I'm gonna mute you and move you to a big screen.
So, me and Randy, hello. So, me and Randy, we want to introduce this topic for whole time. So, this one, we're talking.
Thank you, Yana. Now there's a video that I would like to share with the class.
Thank you, Randy, for sharing. I hope you learned a lot about today's topic. I'll see you all next week, all right?
ViewSonic Education Solutions allows infinite possibilities to enhance critical thinking and creative problem solving.